Hello everyone, I'm Nick from JOYROOM Shenzhen headquarters. Today I'm going to introduce our new arrival product, magnetic card holder, JR-ZS202. This one is for air range, and this one is for dashboard. Right now I'm gonna open it. As I said, we have air range and dashboard, and for each package there's small package, and inside the package there's the alcohol cleaning pad, square metal plate, and rounded metal plate. There are a lot of magnetic card holder in the market, but this one is our upgraded model. In the market, there's only 4 magnetics, but for this model, we upgrade to 6 magnetics. It means it will be more stable, and also there's a rotating ball, so you can rotate to different angle. And we use ABC and silicone material, small size, perfect for travel. So right now I'm gonna test it for you. So right now I'm gonna show you how strong magnetics is it. See, no matter how I shake the phone, it will not fall off. You consider buying a card holder, what are the important factors you will think about it? The first one is stability, and second one will be convenience, and the third one will be the price. And for this model, for stability, we have 6 magnetics, so it will be very stable and firm when you put your phone on it. And also it's very easy to install it by one-hand operation, easy to use it. And it comes with very competitive price if you compare it to others on the market. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys at next time. Bye bye.